Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to work on a very spacious bathroom. I love the bathrooms big so that you can put all the details and it won't look cluttered. So right now what I did was I already had started this bathroom a while back, but the walls started coming apart, so I had to reinforce it. So I reinforced it with double-sided tape, and now they're ready to I'm ready to start just putting the bathroom back together the way it was. I'm gonna put the camera right there, and I'll explain to you what I've done to make the sink. To make the sink, I started with these. All you need is jewelry boxes, okay? The ones that you use as a gift when you give someone a pair of earrings or whatever. Okay, so I put this here, and I'm going to be using them as support for my sink. Here, this is a deodorant cap. The men's deodorant, that's what it is. So what I did was I took it and I'm going to put it right here in the middle. So this is all going to be support for the sink. You can see it right there. And then what I did with my sink, I took what came in here. I forgot what came in here, but I had this piece and I figured it would be good for a sink, and I took these little circles from the old diskettes. Remember the old diskettes? So I took the round things and I put one in each slot right there. And then these, I got them at the 99-cent store, the Dollar Tree. They're adhesive and they're actually upside down. If you put them upside down, you can hang something on them. But I used them that way to kind of project like it's the sink. You know, the water comes out through here. So this is it. That's the sink right there. And that's the support. Okay. I mean, it looks like it's for a public bathroom because it has so many, but it's okay. Then I have this here. I got this at a yard sale by itself. It was part of some big jewelry box. But when I looked at it, I saw a closet. So I'm going to use this closet for my bathroom, and I'm going to put it this way. Yes, I'm going to put it this way. Let's see what's best. Yeah, no, like this. It just looks like, one of those closets where you store. You know what? Wait. The last time I had it, did I have it? Oh, you know what? I did have it like this the last time. I just couldn't remember, but I think I'm going to leave it that way, like that, because I want to be able to store things in here. Like the broom and all that, the mop. So I have a mop right here. See how nice it fits in here? So I'm going to leave it right in there. So that's going to be the closet for the broom, the mop, and all that stuff. Let's see what else. Here on the side, I've already put something on the wall here to project, like it's Bounty and the stuff that you use for your laundry. Because I have a washing machine here. The Tide, that's just a little piece of from a magazine that I cut out of an advertisement, and I stuck it around this thing. And I call it this thing because I don't know what this is, but it looks like a bottle to me. So there you go. And the same thing with this little piece here. Oh boy. Okay, so I'm gonna put this right here. My nails, I'm not sure if you noticed, but they look horrible, so excuse them. And the reason why is because I do gel manicures at a regular basis, on a regular basis. But because of the pandemic, we've been home, and I've been, you know, I'm waiting to go do them professionally, so that's why they look horrible. Okay, so there you go. See, so now I got the dryer washer, I got the closet, and the sink with the mirror. So far it's coming along. I'm going to be adding here a sink, a mud sink. Okay, this is just the hook, and this is an adhesive part of a copy machine. I'm not sure what the purpose of it was on the copy machine, but hey, it wasn't gonna, nothing was gonna be done with it anyway, so I'm gonna put it right here. And it all blends in because usually you do have these types of sinks near the laundry area. So then going over to the other side there, I made a homemade, handmade shower right here. I just got a hold of plastic, like heavy plastic, and from a file folder I did the checkered wall there with another hook, one of those hooks that you buy, you know, at the Dollar Tree. You get a few of them for $1. And just the details that you see there, they're just, those are push pins there for the water. And I have this soap here. I'm not sure. Oh, that's gonna go here if it stays. Alright, so I'm gonna put this in this corner here, and that's where the shower is going to be, right there. Got a shower there. Okay, so it's coming along. Please have patience because I'm doing one thing at a time here. Oh, let's see. I have this, oh, let me put it right here. This goes with the mop. That's the bucket. Okay. Let's see what else. I have a few other things. I have another broom here and the plunger. So all this is gonna go towards this closet here that I made. It came in handy, that odd looking piece that I explained to you that I got from the yard sale. And this here is the plunger. I'm going to leave that there because it's going to be next to the toilet. Now the toilet, what did I do with it? Oh, wait a minute. Hold on. I don't know where my toilet went. I probably put it in one of my other houses. You know what? Okay. Alright, I messed up. The toilet that belongs there, it's a handmade toilet, but I don't have it right now. I have it upstairs, and I'm not going to go upstairs. So I'm just going to use another toilet from one of my other doll houses that I have down here. So it's a blue toilet, doesn't match, but let's just leave it there for now because you have the picture. So alright, so I love that toilet even though it's blue and antique. Alright, then I look for odd pieces that look like something to me that I can make something out of it. This here is a piece of metal, a box, you know, squared piece of metal. That's all it is. So I thought of a shelf. On top there is a real freshener. See, you see it's moving the liquid, the soap. So that's what that is. And just some pieces of cloth, you know, folded to look like the towels. What else? What else? Well, I have a whole bunch of other things here. I have this, that's the Tide. That was from a piece of toy that my son had, the blue part. And then I just took from an advertisement and I took the Tide and I cut it up. Then here I have a, oh, this, I don't know what this was, but it's a little plastic bin and I'm putting some flowers in there. And those flowers, I think they're gonna go up here on top of the closet, right there in that corner. And the Tide is going to be right here. Okay, what else? I have an oversized toothpaste there, which I'm going to put right here on top of the sink, right there. The light is battery operated. I got it from the Dollar Tree. I have a wastebasket here. That's a shampoo bottle cap filled with shredded pieces of real toilet paper. So that's gonna go right there, right here on that side next to the toilet. I have a hamper right here. Well, this is not really a hamper, but it's one of those old, well, women still use it, but they curl their hair up by using these with a pin. And I just looked at it, and to me, it looked like a hamper. So that's why I'm adding it to the bathroom there. What else? I have this here little basket. And these are the little knickknacks that go here. Toilet paper. See the toilet paper there? Now the toilet paper is going to be here with the supplies right there. Oh no, you know what? I'll put this toilet paper right here on top of the tank. Right there, you see it? Okay, I'm leaving the camera here right now because I need to go get something. This basket is gonna go right there. Let's see what else I need to put. I need to put the toilet paper on the wall. And that would probably, oh, let me explain this. Okay, so the toilet paper. You see these? These are adhesive little squares. I get them in the dollar store, a whole roll, and they are, oh my god, they work. They stick real good. So if your stuff is coming apart, falling apart, just use those squares and you should be able to keep up whatever was see, like right here, you see it? Oops. I'm going to use, you see how it's stuck already? I'm going to use this for the toilet paper. I'm going to stick this toilet paper. Oh, now it's stuck so much. I'm going to put it right here on the side. I'll show you now. Just got to do this with. Okay. So I stuck the toilet paper right there. Okay, and the last piece that I'm going to show you, oh, I forgot about this, a rug. This was part of some, oh, okay, now I remember. I got it at a yard sale, and I think it's very thick. I think they used to use it in the kitchen. Kind of, I don't know what it was for, but anyway, it works there as a rug. And then I have this piece, which it's heavy, It's a pair of hooks that I bought at the Dollar Tree store, but I have to fix it up. And it's gonna take me some time. I have to put it up here somewhere. So this is gonna project those lamps that you have in the bathroom. That's gonna go up here. But I have to work on that because they're heavy. So anyway, I think this is it. So there's the little laundry area right there. I think that's one of my favorite parts. The washing machine and the dryer. And the toilet area right there. Maybe I'll have to change. Well, I don't want to change the green. I'll just get a white toilet. I do have a toilet upstairs that's white, but this was just temporary just to show you. And then the shower, the little detailed shower, and the sink. Well, I think that's it for this video. I thank you for watching. And I'm sorry that I was all over the place looking for pieces to add and all that. Okay, so I think this is it. Thank you for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe. Thank you so much. Hope you love it. Hope you like it. You don't have to love it.